Court does call the case. The people state of Michigan versus Justin Phillips. Counsel, state your appearances.
Caitlin Kirby on behalf of the people.
Sorry, Your Honor. Stuart Collis on behalf of Mr. Phillips.
Mr. Phillips, please turn on your camera and state your name.
Justin Phillips, defendant.
Mr. Phillips, you're in court. Please take off your hat.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right, a couple of things. First of all, Mr. Phillips, once again, I have gotten right before your hearing, actually after the time that your hearing was set, I have received about 100 pages sent directly to my chambers. My chambers, Ms. Tang, has let you know that is not the way that you file pleadings in the court. And so I do not want it to happen again because I will reject it and I will not read it. I now come before the court, and I'll certainly let Mr. Collis make his own argument, but I come before the court for you now asking for a fourth attorney. And the same, and when I read over the motion from Mr. Collis, it seems we keep going through the same thing. And I'm not going to play the game. Just not going to play the game. So, Mr. Collis, I'm not saying at this point I'm going to deny your motion or anything, but what I am going to do is I'm going to adjourn this over. And with this admonition to you, Mr. Phillips, you can't keep coming before this court deciding which attorney you wish to select. So what I'm going to suggest to you is that you find a way to reconcile whatever differences you have with Mr. Collis.
Oh no, he went off.
Deal with that. No, hold it. Do not ever interrupt me, ever. That what you will do is you will attempt to reconcile whatever differences there are. If you can't, then I will deal with Mr. Collis's motion. I am not dealing with your motion. You have counsel of record. It is not going to happen this way. Mm-hmm. You are not going to make some mockery of these court proceedings. And so I'm done with you in that regard. I will adjourn this matter out to February 2nd, 2022 at 9 a.m. or as a time set by the court. Mr. Collis, use your best efforts to try to resolve this with Mr. Phillips. If you guys don't, then that's fine. So to the extent you don't like Mr. Collis, didn't like Miss Julian, didn't like Mr. Brown before then, those are the devils you know. So you can take those or you can take one you don't know. Because if I let Mr. Collis off the case and I appoint counsel, I'm not hearing another motion to withdraw. I'm done for today. We'll see you on the 2nd. Thank you, folks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, he's assaultive. It's not good. So you can't behave like that to me.
Cut him off. Do not do that in my proceeding.